Welcome back to Car Compass. Today, we take a closer look at the Bentley Batur, a masterpiece of luxury and performance that redefines grand touring. This ultra-exclusive model, crafted by Bentley's in-house coach-building division, Mulliner, is not just a car, but a statement of automotive artistry and engineering excellence. With only a limited number of units being produced, the Batur represents the pinnacle of bespoke craftsmanship, blending cutting-edge technology with traditional luxury. Starting with the specs and features, the Bentley Batur is built on the Continental GT platform, but takes luxury and exclusivity to an entirely new level. The exterior design showcases a bold yet elegant stance, featuring a long, sculpted hood, a sleek roofline, and a muscular rear end. The signature Bentley grille, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights, gives the car an imposing presence on the road. Every detail of the Batur can be customized, from the paint finishes to the handcrafted details, ensuring that no two cars are alike. The interior is nothing short of spectacular, featuring the finest materials, including sustainable leather, natural fiber composites, and 3D printed gold accents for those who seek the ultimate in opulence. The digital dashboard seamlessly integrates modern technology with classic craftsmanship, offering a fully customizable driver display and an advanced infotainment system. The handcrafted seats provide exceptional comfort, making long journeys feel effortless. When it comes to performance, the Bentley Batur is powered by an upgraded version of Bentley's iconic 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine, producing an astonishing 740 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful Bentley ever built, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that places it among the fastest grand tourers in the world. The car features an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and four-wheel steering, ensuring precise handling and a smooth ride across all driving conditions. Bentley has fine-tuned the exhaust system to provide a rich, deep sound that perfectly complements the car's powerful character. The Batur is not just about straight-line speed. It is designed for a refined yet thrilling driving experience, offering an impeccable balance of comfort and agility. The combination of its lightweight construction and powerful engine ensures that it delivers exhilarating performance without compromising the luxurious feel Bentley is known for. In terms of market availability, the Bentley Batur is an extremely limited production vehicle, with only 18 units being handcrafted by Mulliner. Due to its exclusivity and bespoke nature, each unit is already spoken for, making it one of the most sought-after collector's cars in recent years. Bentley offers an extensive personalization program, allowing owners to tailor every aspect of their car to their preferences, from exterior colors to interior trims and even unique embroidery details. The price of the Batur reflects its exclusivity, positioning it as one of the most expensive Bentleys ever made. While it may not be available for the general market, it represents Bentley's vision for the future of luxury grand tours and a glimpse into the brand's transition towards electrification. Overall, the Bentley Batur is a testament to what happens when craftsmanship, technology, and performance come together at the highest level. It embodies the spirit of Mulliner's coach-building heritage while pushing the boundaries of modern automotive design. For those fortunate enough to own one, the Batur is not just a car, but a rolling piece of art that celebrates Bentley's legacy and future innovation. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Bentley Batur. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest luxury cars and automotive news, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Car Compass, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.